Have you ever thought, why is it important to pronounce correctly in English? Or have you ever ignored the importance of English pronunciation? And you think that you know to speak in English and your purpose is served, or if you think that you know to read in English and somehow you are able to speak in English and that is sufficient for you, then you are highly mistaken. Let me tell you that English pronunciation is as important as English speaking is. If your message is misconveyed because of the wrong pronunciation, then you get frustrated. How? I am giving you a very small example. Suppose in place of saying coat, you say coat, then it becomes coat. And these are two different words and their meanings are also different. So coat becomes coat and there is a difference of only one sound, like coat and coat. In this way, your message is lost and it is not conveyed properly. And if you are able to pronounce correctly in English, even the small words, then your message is well received by the listener and he can understand you better. In this way, you will feel connected with the listener and he will also feel connected with you, and this will boost your confidence. Right? So that's why it is very important to pronounce the words in English correctly. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anshul, your coach and guide for correct English pronunciation and English speaking. And today I have brought a very small passage just to give you practice for your correct English pronunciation. So in this video today, you will get a pronunciation practice passage which is based on very commonly mispronounced words in English. Okay, so just pay attention on the way I am pronouncing the words and do not skip this video at all. So here is a very small passage for your English pronunciation practice, and which is based on very commonly mispronounced words in English. These words seem to be quite simple, but I am telling you that they are quite often mispronounced, and probably you are one of them who mispronounce any one of the words from this passage incorrectly. So do let me know in the comment box below if you were unable to pronounce any single word from this passage correctly. Okay, so let's start. So it was Wednesday morning in the month of August. So just listen to me carefully. It was, not was. Okay, it was Wednesday. So here letter D is silent, letter S has Z sound, not S sound. So it was Wednesday morning. Wednesday. Okay, so D is silent, so you will not pronounce Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, and day is pronounced as day. So we have a glide from A to E. So it was Wednesday morning in the month of August, not August. Okay, it was raining cats and dogs. So here letter S has S sound, but here letter S has Z sound. So it was raining cats and dogs. Okay, because G is a sibilant sound, that's why letter S has Z sound here. And if you do not know about sibilant sounds, then I have already made a video about sibilant sounds. You can watch that video on this channel. Okay, so it was raining cats and dogs. We went to a village. So letter A has E sound here. Okay, not A sound. So it is not village, it is village. So we went to a village. There were, so here letter R will be silent as it is silent in British English pronunciation. So there were some mischievous, not mischievous, mischievous. Okay, mischievous boys. Letter S has Z sound. Mischievous boys bathing. So here you just pay attention. Letter A has glide. So it is a diphthong sound. So we have a glide from A to E. So bay, okay, not bay. Bay and TH have the sound. So bathing. So if you pronounce this word as noun, then TH have th sound. But when it is pronounced as verb, then TH has the sound. Okay, so it is bath, but it is bathing. So there was some mischievous boys bathing in the rain. Okay, we saw a monk. So it is not monk. Letter O has a sound. So we saw a monk there sitting near. So we will not pronounce R here, okay? Because when letter R appears after the vowel sound, it is silent. So we saw a monk there sitting near the tomb. So here letter B is silent and letter O has long oo sound. We saw a monk there sitting near the tomb. What's the truth? So here letter U has long oo sound, not truth. It is truth. What's the truth? He will tell about. So letter A has short sound. He will tell about it in the end. So here THE, it is pronounced as the because it is appearing before the word which starts from a vowel sound, that is E. So when the appears before a word which starts with a vowel sound, then it is pronounced as the. So the end. Okay, now I'll read it again for you. It was Wednesday morning, and you can also pronounce along with me. Okay, so it was Wednesday morning in the month of August. It was raining cats and dogs. We went to a village. How did you pronounce village or village? Village. Okay, so it was Wednesday morning in the month of August. It was raining cats and dogs. We went to a village. There were some mischievous boys bathing in the rain. We saw a monk there sitting near the tomb. What's the truth? He will tell about it in the end. You got it? I hope you have learned to pronounce these words correctly along with the rules which I have told here in this video. Did you like this video? If you have liked it, then press like and do let me know if you want such kind of videos more. Then I will definitely post more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Very soon I'll upload another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.